How do I navigate in a Google Sheets workbook? Navigating in Google Sheets is similar to Excel and other general software, but with some distinct features tailored to its online collaborative nature. A Google Sheets file is a workbook that contains one or more worksheets or sheets. Each worksheet consists of a grid of cells organized into rows and columns where you enter data, formulas, and perform calculations. Rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, as you see on the left. Columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, as you see along the top. The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell, and each cell has an address, like A1, column A, row 1, which you use for data entry and formulas. So let's practice a little bit. We've built this practice sheet for you to work along with us. There is a link in the video description where you can get a copy before we continue. In the practice sheet, use your mouse and move your cursor and select different cells in the worksheet like this. But how do I navigate without the mouse in Google Sheets? Using the arrow keys, you can navigate left, right, up, and down in the sheet. If you hit the Enter key, it activates the edit of the cell. And if you hit Enter a second time, you'll move down the worksheet one cell. But if you hold the Shift key and press Enter, you will go up the worksheet one cell. The Tab key will move you to the right, but if you hold Shift and press the Tab key, you can move left. But did you know that the Enter key does something different after you have used the Tab key? I'm going to fill in 1 in cell B2, press Tab, type in 2 in cell C2, press Tab, type in 3 in cell D2, and then press Enter. What happened? I returned to cell B3 to start typing in the next row. But let's enter 1 in cell B5, press Tab, type 2 in cell C5, press Tab, type 3 in cell D5, and hold the Shift key and press Enter. What happened? I returned back to cell B4, moving one row above to enter more data. How can I navigate quickly in a table of data? Here in this example, we have a table of inventory. You can see the part number description, cost, quantity, and inventory balance. But this table could be pages long and have way more columns based on your business. So if you want to move quickly to the bottom of the table from cell B7, hold the Control key and press the down arrow. Likewise, if you use the Control key and press the right arrow, you'll move to F11, or the right side of the table. Using the Control key and the up and left arrow, we'll continue moving along the edge of the table. But you can use Control and the arrows in the middle of the table too, like this. This is good, but how can I navigate quickly around the worksheet? There are a few ways to navigate around the worksheet. With the Control key, we can quickly move. Right now, hold the Control key and press the Home key. This shortcut command will always return you to cell A1. But if you want to get to the end of the worksheet, hold the Control key and press the End key. Now we are on cell Z1000. Let's move left by holding the Control key and pressing the left arrow, and up, holding the Control key and pressing the up arrow. You can see these commands can help you move through the worksheet fast. But there are two other ways to move quickly in a worksheet. The page up and page down keys will move you up and down the worksheet, but if you hold the Alt key and press page down, you will move right one screen. And by holding the Alt key and pressing page up, you will move left one screen. But there is one more way to move around Google Sheets. On the bottom and right side of the sheet are scroll bars. Using the scroll bars, you can move up and down, left and right to view the page. To continue learning Google Sheets, watch this video next.